So you got the portable shopping cart from KEDSUM. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase, quick guide on how to assemble it, then a demo of me using it so you know exactly what to expect when you proctorize, and hopefully I can answer any questions for you too along the way. But this can be what you get. Really isn't many pieces to it. Comes fully assembled basically. So all I got to do is unfold it, which is super simple. Once you get it unfolded, you're going to get these all-terrain wheels and you just got to screw them on. And all that is 2 bolts, and they give you an Allen wrench to do that. Wheels just go on the back here. So I'm gonna get these screwed in with the Allen wrench, and I'll take this outside and demo it so you kind of get an idea of how good this works. I'm gonna pull it over some rocks and just kind of more rough terrain, so see how smooth this goes. Okay, so we got the hand cart fully assembled. It was super easy, like I said, just 2 bolts. Now at this point, if you want to use it, it's just like a hand truck. You wouldn't need to put this insulated bag on there, but personally, I'm gonna use it for hauling in groceries, so I am gonna put it on there. And all there is, and I got it facing the camera, there's just 2 straps in the back. So you just got to pull it over there. That one around that side. There we go. One on there. Now we'll go for the second one. And what's nice too is once you have this bag on there, if you are going to use it, you don't need to take it off. It can stay on there. And just like that, we are good to go. Zipper in the front, Velcro here so nothing falls off. So I'm going to go bring this outside. Like I said, I'm going to bring it over some harder type terrain. We'll see how good these wheels work. Let's check it out. All right, so now that we're outside, I'm gonna run through my grass and rocks here. Obviously, you're gonna use this probably in like a grocery store type setting or paved sidewalks, so not this extreme. Might as well just test it to make sure that it can work. Because if you work on this and go smoothly, you can really work anywhere. So we'll pull it through. Super easy, as you can see. These wheels are big rubber wheels, so they do have a little compression to them as well, which is super nice, but no problem at all. Right through it with no issue. So if you are going to use this in a little rougher type terrain, you're going to have no problem at all. Overall, this folding cart has worked out awesome for me. I love how easy you can get it out of your trunk and unfold it and start to use. Personally, like I said, I use it for hauling in groceries, but it can hold up to 350 pounds. So it is really durable and strong. If you're going to use it in more of like a business industrial type setting, it'll work fine for that. But overall, super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.